We at the Sanctuary are changing the whole paradigm of addiction treatment. So one of the ways we do that is through technology. And so a person comes here and the first thing that we do is we're going to do a brain scan on them. So we do an EEG, we have a 19-point brain scan that we do, which basically gives us a picture of how the brain is communicating with itself. So brains that are chaotic, of course, send chaotic signals to the body and create anxiety, depression, they create sleeplessness, they create restlessness, they create the need to medicate that.
The process is that in the first few days we do the brain map and then we edit the map and we look at it, and at that point it's only compared to the normal population. These have all been normed with a population of over 2,000 non-clinical people, and it's matched for age and gender. So I compare that map to the normal population and I see, oh, this client is a little left hemisphere dominant, or frontal lobe is deficient, or there's way more theta waves than the normal population. But that doesn't change the protocol for their treatment at all. It doesn't even guide the protocol. It just gives me an idea of what their brain looks like coming in. Then going out, we look at it again and we see there's much more, perhaps as an example, there's much more integration of left hemisphere, right hemisphere, frontal to back. And they've balanced the waves so that there's beta is more balanced and they're less delta, slow wave dominant. That's the kind of thing we're looking at if we have moved their brain more towards a normal population. Because many people that come that have been doing addictive substances or patterns for years have aberrant brains, and some are pretty severely aberrant and far removed from the normal population, and we try to move them in that 30-day treatment program into a more of a normal range.